What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can go to another workspace in Slack. Basically what you're going to do is first just go to your Slack, then you'll be having this as your home screen. Then make sure guys that you have another workspace with you in your account guys. So what you're going to do is just go to your top left corner over here. That's your workspace profile. Just press on it and then you'll be having option over here about your another workspace. So I have the another workspace over here, so just press it and then guys it will redirect you to another workspace that you already have. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you're gonna go to another workspace in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.